So hello everyone, today we are going to see a 4 BHK model villa at Nambiar Bellezea, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. This is a car parking area. This is a living room area. And here is the spacious first bedroom with a closet area and an attached washroom. This is a dining area. Here we have the second living room area. This is a kitchen area with installed washing machine and dryer. And back here is the beautiful backyard, best for some barbecue in the evening at the weekends with the family. Here we have the patio area for sitting in comfort. Again, the utility area. Here is a common washroom. Now let's go towards the first floor. A beautiful chandelier over here. This is a second bedroom with an attached washroom and a balcony. This is a third bedroom with an attached washroom. Here we have the mini home theater room for some movies time with your family and friends. This is the master bedroom with a walk-in closet, an attached washroom and two balconies. For more information, call us on the number on the screen. And for more amazing properties, subscribe to our channel and see you again.